In this video, I will explain two functions in Google Sheets, row and column. So row function can be used to get the current row number. For example, this row is 58, right? So if you call this function in this row, you will get the answer as 58. And this is optional. So you can see that even if I didn't pass anything in this parameter, it is taking the current row's number, that is 58. So this is equivalent to row in the bracket C58. And you can pass any cell reference. For example, here if I do row A1, it is returning 1 because this A1 cell is in the row 1. That's how this row function works. And similarly, we have got this column function which returns the column. So this cell is in the column C, that is column number 3. That's why it is written 3. So these two functions are very important to get the dynamic numbering in Google Sheet. Thanks for watching.